Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm just gonna go ahead and quickly show you guys the hair I'll be working with in this video. Hi guys, so first of all I'm gonna go ahead and apply this jam on my edges. So guys, while I style this hair, I'm gonna go ahead and talk to you guys about skin bleaching, because believe it or not, or funny enough, some people have actually accused me of bleaching my skin. I'm also going to give you guys my 2 cents on skin bleaching and on the fact that Black China went to Nigeria to promote skin bleaching cream. Then I'm going to go ahead and put on my stocking cap. So I've actually twisted the middle of the wig, that's the pattern area. I actually twist it out so that it will make the pattern appear more natural. So I'm going to go ahead and put on the wig. This is actually my first time trying a wig with this kind of color. I'm just curious on knowing how it's going to look on me eventually, so I decided to try something different. Sometimes it's good to try something different. So recently I do get some comments on my videos, like especially the old ones. There's this particular time that 3 parts of my knuckles here were kind of dark. You know, first of all, if someone is bleaching, I believe all the knuckles on both fingers normally gets dark, you know, but mine was just 3 parts of my knuckles that were dark. So some people actually thought that I actually bleached my skin, which was not the case. So I'm going to address that before I talk about what I think about skin bleaching in Nigeria. So normally I have a very dry skin, so when it's winter time, my palm gets very dry. And when I work out, like if I'm doing push-up, I can't do push-up like this. I have to do it on my fist because I have a very tender wrist. I don't know if it happens to some of you. I have a very tender wrist, so it hurts so bad if I do the normal push-up or if I'm on a plank position like this. So I normally stay like this. So then it's when it's winter time and my skin is very dry, it happens a lot because I hardly moisturize my palm then. But now I know better, so I make sure I moisturize my palm with my cream all the time. Anytime I wash my hands, I moisturize my hands, my palm with my cream. And also when I work out, this is what I use the glove, you know, to support my wrist. So I go ahead and I put on my glove. You know, if you work out, you know this type of glove. I put on my glove and I wrap it around like this to seriously support my wrist, and now I can do the push-up normally. That is why you can see my fingers, you can see my palm does not look like someone that actually bleaches. So I don't bleach my skin, please. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and cut out the spare lace in front. So I was watching Wendy Williams last week when she talked about skin bleaching, and she was talking about Black China, and she said that according to statistics, according to the World Health Organization, they actually said that Nigeria, that's 77% of Nigerians bleach their skin. When I heard it, I was like, wait, is it the Nigeria I know, or is there any other Nigeria she's talking about? So I actually went to Google, and I had to go and Google it to check, you know, and lo and behold, according to World Health Organization, they said 79, not even 77%, 79% of Nigerians bleach their skin. That is why Black China went to Nigeria to promote her new skin bleaching cream, whatever, you know. And she was really, you know, welcomed over there. A lot of people were happy that she actually visited Nigeria. I'm actually waiting for the day that people will visit Nigeria for something that is positive and not, you know, things like skin bleaching. So, but it's true, you know, some people do bleach their skin in Africa. Do I judge those people that decide to bleach their skin? No. At least who am I to judge people that decide to bleach their skin? Because after all, some people, you know, do their butt enlargements because they want their butt to be bigger. Maybe after doing that they feel that they will be happier. Or some people do the breast surgery, and people do a lot of surgery and nobody is judging them. So why will I judge people who choose to go and change their skin color? Do I support it? hell no. As in, I don't support it at all. Like, it's very, very sad the way things are going on in life now. Things have really, really changed. You know, people really glorify things that are not right. And also, what do you expect when a country where there's this guy that, you know, totally bleached his skin in Nigeria. I think it's Bobrisky or something like that. So the guy bleached his skin. He went from black to complete white, you know, in Nigeria, and a lot of people support him. Like, a lot of people support this guy. This guy makes so much money from his social media page and everything. So what do you expect the younger ones to do? Of course, they're going to follow his footsteps. They're going to want to bleach their skin because maybe, you know, he's getting a lot of recognition, and, you know, he's being accepted more because he actually bleached his skin. So a lot of people, you know, will want to go towards that direction. I don't know why people actually feel that when you're white or when you're fair, you know, you're more beautiful. So I'm going to go ahead and apply my foundation on this lace part, so, you know, actually make it blend very well, especially with my hairline. What I'm going to say about this skin bleaching thing is that, to me, I just feel that if you are dark and you're white and whatever color you have, you just try and accept it the way it is. You know, love your skin the way it is. Love yourself the way it is. It's so difficult, and we give ourselves so much tough time. Like, we always criticize ourselves, you know, we always criticize our body. We hardly, you know, appreciate the things and some things we have that are nice. You know, some people look so beautiful, but just because of one flaw, they just feel so discouraged and they say, why do I have this? And they keep complaining. You know, we have to give ourselves some break. It's not easy, you know. I understand, like, coming from my own perspective, like having kids and all that. After having kids, you notice that your tummy, your belly can never be the way it used to be before having kids. Like, it can never be the way it used to be. Even after doing exercise, trying to, you know, get in good shape, you're just going to have that loose skin and you're going to have the stretch marks, and it really messes up your mental, you know, thinking. Like, if you let it, you know, it's going to bring you down. If you let it, it's going to bring you down. So, but we need to think about more important things in life. There are things that are happening that are way more important. So I've applied my foundation on it. I'm going to go ahead and put on the wig now. I know that the pressure sometimes, you know, in this Instagram world now, it can be so difficult because you see these women on Instagram, they look so perfect, and when you post your picture and your picture does not look perfect, you see someone, there will be people, even women like you, girls like you, they will come and talk you down. Like, as a YouTuber, you know, I've heard so much from so many people. Like, there are people, most of you guys, you know, you guys are amazing. Like, the comments you give to me, they are so positive, but there are still some people that will come and bring you down. Like, they will tell you that, you know, what you're doing is rubbish, and they will tell you that your hair is so ugly. I've heard that so many times. People will tell you, don't let those things bring you down, don't let those things bring you down. At the end of the day, you're human, and if you listen to those things, that's part of the things that will make you to want to do what you don't want to do, you know. So try your best. I'm going to go ahead and apply my heat protectant because I'm going to straighten the hair now. Do things for you and make yourself happy, and try to accept yourself the way you are. That is very important, you know. Try to accept yourself the way you are. Tell yourself that you're enough, you know. You don't need to add anything, you know. And don't judge. I don't judge people who decide eventually to go and do whatever they want to do. We all have our lives to live, you know. So who am I to judge, you know? But what I'm going to say is that we should just try and appreciate ourselves and, you know, love ourselves more. And cut ourselves some slack, you know. So guys, right here I'm gonna go ahead and create my baby hairs. And then I'm gonna use my hair straightener to lay my frontal flat. And then I'm gonna straighten the hair as well. And yes guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like this video, and please subscribe to my channel, and also share this video with your friends, and I'll see you guys very soon. Love you guys. Bye.
Alone someone came to see.